Quite possibly.
It's my favorite.
Really?
Yeah.
Shotgun and yoo-hoos, mother.
This is not your grandma's farm party.
Woo! What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very exciting day. The weather's not the best, but we're gonna make the best of it regardless. We got a 2020 or 2021, I can never remember. I always get them mixed up. Silverado sitting outside, all black. No chrome, all black. And guess what? 26x14 KG1. I can't remember which wheel it was. 26x14 KG1s, 37, 13, 50, 26 Gladiators, and of course, 9-inch Mcgaughys lift kit. It's all black. Going on today. Super exciting. It's gonna be a great day. Hope you guys are excited. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join the bread gang. So we turn it up today. I don't know if you guys remember the FTS versus Mcgaughys comparison video I did a couple days ago. If you guys have not checked that video out, make sure you guys go check it out after this video. It's an awesome video. There's actually some good information about the difference between the two lift kits. But the cross member from that Mcgaughys kit is what we're putting on this truck today. That black lift kit with the little bit of billet accents. Mwah! It's gonna be beautiful on this truck. The pre-lift kit Silverado. Oh, so this is different. So this one's not a high country. I knew it wasn't a high country to begin with, to be honest, but this is one of the first times I've seen this kind of black and white Z71 badge. That is actually a really nice touch on this truck. Came with the silver 20s on it. This is different. I say every truck is different, but I'm actually really excited about this one because we do a lot of the high countries that have the black with the chrome accents. This one's all black, all gloss black. All color matched on the front. All the emblems are color matched. Real sleek, clean bed cover on the back. Looks like the only thing about this lift kit that's chrome or silver is that one Silverado badge on the back. Door handles, all the moldings, the mirrors, everything on the grill except for the fog lights down there. I don't see a lot of, maybe I've never noticed, I don't see a lot of these with fog lights either. Maybe I've just never noticed, I don't know. Small antenna on there. Clean, simple. Just imagine, in about 6 hours, 9-inch lift, some 26x14 forged KG1 wheels, you won't even recognize it. That's what needs to go on Instagram right there. Look, the two nicest trucks at Southern Tire right now. That's Instagram right there. Shitting on them. You want to tell me about your new truck? You guys know that I have a recent love, a recent inspiration. I've fallen in love with the Dunkin' Donuts, right? And today, for the first time in my entire life, we're trying the Dunkin' Donuts gas station beverage. Gas station beverage. The s'mores. They didn't have vanilla. I was gonna try the vanilla, but they didn't have it. They do have a thin mint, which sounds like it might be gas. But today we're trying the s'mores. Cheers.
Whenever you want to get it done, if you can drop it off for a few hours, I can definitely get it.
That's not bad. I think a vanilla or a caramel would be better. But this isn't bad coming from a gas station. It is Dunkin', obviously, but
thank you.
I'm a firm believer that any iced coffee has to be had in a cup with a straw. Would you agree?
Iced coffee is for women.
Iced coffee needs to be had in a cup with a straw. Out of a, direct cup to mouth, it doesn't work. All right. That's it. Point made. Don't ask me any more questions. But, see you later. One-handed. Hey, show me what that new truck can do. Hey, it was spinning both though. Yeah. Woo.
All right, so we've got that new body style Silverado outside, getting that 7 to 9 inch Mcgaughys lift kit today. We did the comparison between the Mcgaughys and the FTS kit a couple days ago, and what better opportunity to do probably an even bigger comparison in the industry right now, bigger than Mcgaughys and FTS, is going to be your forged wheels. KG1 is a huge hitter in the industry right now. KG1 may possibly be the biggest forged wheel company in the country right now, in the industry. It's one of the most popular. They have the fastest ship times right now. And to be honest, a lot of your forged wheel companies are making similar style wheels with a different center cap. A lot of people are leaning towards KG1 because they're new, they're fresh, and they're ready to ship and they're ready to do business. But without a doubt, the biggest wheel company in the nation, in the industry, is your American forged wheels. So what better comparison, better than the Mcgaughys and the FTS? We got a 26x14 KG1. Oh. Versus your 26x14 American Force. This one's the Jester. Comes with the screw-in accent pieces, the chrome kind of hexagon-shaped insert pieces. And this is your KG1. Damn, what was the name of this wheel? It's your favorite one too, the Vailer. KG1 Vailer and your American Force Jester. Side by side, in your face. What do you notice? Any differences? Let me know in the comments. Steez, buddy. You notice, what do you think? Are there any differences in the color? I think American Force has a little more shine to it.
I would say the opposite.
Really? You think KG1 has more shine? Whoa.
Jay, that wheel ain't riding.
That's my favorite wheel.
It looks like a dinner plate. This is riding way harder, the Jester.
What you think?
Oh, 100%.
Is it the...
You get the box now.
American Force
versus a flat face.
The American Force is riding on that
Concave,
wheel.
dude.
American Force, look how better the finish, the polish is on that. The polish is way nicer than that polish.
This wheel looks better, but the polish is better. Maybe it's because you're just standing there. No, it's the same, dude.
I think it's the same.
This polish is actually better.
That's what I said. I said the same thing. I thought that.
Yeah, tell him, Pinky. Look at the shirt.
That's your wheel right there.
Jordan.
26x14 Jester. That's your wheel.
Pinky. Next Friday.
What'd you think? KG1, American Force.
American Force is riding over that wheel.
Oh yeah, definitely.
10 out of 10 to the KG1.
KG1 for sure.
Nah,
I
you're just
don't
saying
know why.
that.
So let me ask you this. KG1 makes one similar to that. Why would you get KG1 over American Force?
I wouldn't.
That bitch pops.
It's got the polish is brighter on this than that.
No, it's not. You're standing right here.
It is, bro.
Standing right here. Look.
Standing over here, that one on the right, it's the lighting. It's the lighting.
You think so?
It's got to be, because over here, that one looks brighter. This one looks dull. KG looks dull.
It does come over here.
We don't need a one with the team right
Yeah.
now. This is man
Jay,
stuff.
I'll jump over this.
Same lighting.
American Force is right.
American Force polish harder.
It is.
They just got a Jordan over there. That's all it is.
The polish is killing that wheel right there than that wheel.
And then,
And you know what I noticed, Jay?
like when you're going down the road, that one on the right, it breaks up because it's spokes. It's gonna shine.
I like the lip on the American Force having the rip.
And you know what I've noticed? on your wheel
You can
check,
get that on
walking by
KG1.
it's not as
You can get the
polished
on KG1.
as I like thought it was. Like on my wheel when I first got mine was like chrome.
I can still get them polished though.
So we got about a 50-50 back and forth. I think the polish is identical. I think the polish looks a little bit brighter here because of the design of the wheel. A couple of small differences just because, you know, different companies are going to have different colors, or not colors, but just different designs. American Force comes with that, you know, unmistakable kind of rivet, almost beadlock look around the lip. I mean, they both come with the plastic caps. Billet caps are optional on each. Let me know what you guys think. 26x14, polished, same size. Do you like more of the flat look? KG1 offers the concaves as well, or the concave. American Force offers both as well. Let me know what you guys think. Are they really worth the money?
On him right now, but I do want to get the springs. I don't know if I'm gonna go silver on the springs, so we're gonna do.
And that red's gonna look good.
We're gonna do red. I'm thinking about running red here, down there. Red here, silver there. Franks and beans.
Pinkies, records, and discs.
Right.
Say something else. With the snap of a finger and the magic of YouTube, our truck is finished. Quite possibly, I mean, what do you think? I know that we say that all of our trucks are our favorite. I think you specifically said you thought this one was going to turn out better than a lot of them.
It's my favorite.
Really?
Yeah. I say that, but I don't know.
I'm a big fan of the gloss black, the all color match, to be honest. It's the small accents. Your thumb's on the microphone. There you go.
I put it on there on purpose.
Why?
To mess with you.
Messing with off. And look at that thing. What? 21, 1500. It's the little things, to be honest. Normally we do a lot of chrome wheels, but we've got the 26x14 KG1 Valors. These turned out perfect on this truck. A lot of people were skeptical about how this wheel was gonna turn out, but to be honest, with the Gladiator tires on it, on the truck, fits it absolutely perfectly. Could not have picked a better wheel. We actually had a different wheel in mind, but that wheel ended up falling through and we were able to get them into a set of KG1s, and I think it turned out perfectly with this build. We do a lot of the high countries that have the bronze accents on the front. I'm a huge fan of the all gloss black, the bumper, the bow tie, the Z71, which is actually a customer edition. He did that before he dropped it off. That's an absolutely beautiful addition. I love just the little accents like that. They really make the truck. When you have a lot of these being built, a lot of people building trucks based off of other people, it's the little small accents that really set you apart from everybody else. But we got your 9-inch Mcgaughys kit with the Adeleaf in the rear. So we're sitting at 9 inches all the way around. Mcgaughys has an awesome lift kit. You guys saw the comparison the other day. This is actually the cross member from that comparison that we did. And just like the comparison, turns out beautiful every single time. 26x14 KG1s, 37 1350, 26 Gladiator X Comp MTs. Perfect choice every single time. Another one in and out. We got a little rumble back here too. Just a little bit of rumble back here. Did you cut the exhaust off this thing?
Yeah, I got a pipe.
Oh, so you took the resonator out?
I did a muffler delete.
I noticed it when I cranked it up like earlier this morning,
yeah,
that it definitely had a little more rumble to it than they normally do.
Yeah, I did a muffler delete on it.
It sounds good. It may not pick it up on camera, but it really does sound good. I think it's a nice little addition. Most people don't have that. So yeah, I've been waiting for somebody to cut the muffler and just straight pipe one of these.
I did it. I took it to the muffler shop. He wouldn't touch it. He was like, it probably would make it sound, you know, lower quality.
Really?
Yeah. I like to deal with it. I just do a muffler delete on it.
Turned out good. I like the polished wheels over the chrome. So you guys have seen Alex Williams, our High Country on 6s. He's up here all the time. He was in that video we did a couple days ago. Alex has the black High Country. The High Countries really look similar. There's not a lot of differences except for a couple little small accent pieces. But I like Alex's wheels. This is nothing against Alex. I'm just a fan of the polished color more than I am the TIS chrome color, if that makes sense to you guys watching this. The polished chrome color just has a different, it has a more true color to it, if that makes sense. Maybe I'm talking stupid, but in person they definitely have a different color than the chrome wheels do. My guy's got to run. Beautiful truck. Another one done up here. Another day, another lift kit. You guys want to go show some love to my guy? He hasn't figured out a YouTube channel name, but he's coming up with something soon. He's gonna get on YouTube. Oh man. And I'll make sure to get you guys the information. Y'all go show him some love when that video comes, okay? Great way to end off a Saturday. We got your boy Lou up here with the Boss 2020. Love that silver. We got the bow tie sitting up front. We got Slick Vic in the flesh up here today. Always great to see Vic with the beautiful red truck. We got a Raptor pulling through, all right. Like that blue Raptor. And Jay Ford up here, the famous Jay Ford with the side-by-side. Hell yeah, I'm super excited. We have a white RST that we just sold a Mcgaughys kit to. Shout out to Bradley if you're watching. Appreciate the opportunity to build a beautiful white Silverado with a Mcgaughys 9-inch. And we got a white GMC 2020 or 21 coming in next week for a 9-inch FTS as well. So we got so much great stuff going on. I don't know what he just yelled, but I'll see you guys next time. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.
Holy shit. Hey, get it on the bottom. Get it on the bottom.
Where'd that go? That piece, bro. We need that piece.
Yeah, I'd step back. Shotgun and yoo-hoos, motherfucker. You didn't smash it and throw it on the floor.
I can't, dude. We're in an office. We're in a building. This is not your grandma's farm party.
Grandma's farm party. Is that why there's Chick-fil-A here?
That was a fucking right, bro. No, you didn't make it in the hole, bro.
Oh! No hands.
You got no motion behind it. Bro, I hit the tire, you to bug it. Come on, man. Oh, God.
If you guys haven't checked out the video of Jake's new 26x16 KG1 Aristos, make sure you guys drop a couple videos down on my channel. We did a full install and review video on the new KG1s. They turned out, they're amazing. I love the way that those 16 wides look on the Tahoe. If you guys want to see more of that, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe button, go check out that video.